Who else is here? Sorry. All right, let's go, guys. We did 1 through 7 yesterday. Again, we're still just doing the conversion. Okay, thanks. We're still just doing the conversion, which was 180 over pi. Right? So, with that in mind, what answers do we have for question 8? We're going to go from 8 to, let's try to do 8 to 15. So we have 7 pi over 10 times 180 over pi. Cross out, cross out. We have 7 times 180 divided by 10. 7 times 180 is going to give us what? 7 times 180 is going to give us what? 1260. Again, 1260 divided by 10. And then give us 126 degrees. $126. Everyone got that? You know, if you're confused on that, right? Hey, Amy. Hey, Emily. Hey, Amy. Hi, Jeff. Easy stuff, right? This, I believe, was assigned to you guys. You guys should have had this in your assignment. Let me see here. So let's see here. So let's try question 9. I want one of you guys to give me the answer to question 9. Come on, this is easy, guys. Emily, Amy, come on. I want to see one of you guys give me an answer to it. It says 3 pi over 4, right? I want to convert that to degrees. What answer would we get? Would you divide? Yeah, of course. So what answer do we get? Come on, guys, this is easy. Times 180 over pi. Because we're going to need this when we do the full unit circle. Right? You're going to eliminate your pi's. So you have 3 times 180 over 4, right? Which is going to give us what? Emily. 3 times 180 over 4 is going to give us what? Anybody? 135. Okay, yeah, 135. Good. All right, so now you have 135. Now, what about the next one? It says 8 pi over 9. You guys got this. You guys 5 minutes for that one. Or 3 minutes, whatever. 8 pi over 9. Ah, dang. You have 8 pi over 9. Because we did 1 through 7 yesterday. Now we're doing 8 through 15. This sheet has 2 sides. 135 degrees. The next one, it says, we're on question 10. You have 8 pi over 9, right? This is the formula. This is conversion. Conversion to radians. I put convert to radians. All right, 160. Okay. All right. So, good, Jeff. So this is times 180, right, over pi. And cross out your pi's. You get 8 times 180 divided by 9, right? So 8 times 180 is what again? Let's see. Let's see. 1440, and then. And you divide that through by 9. Get 160, good. Very good, Jeff. What about 11? Because then we'll go on to converting backwards, converting from degrees to radians. Because sometimes they give you degree measurements. You want to convert that back. Yeah, the live stream is always saved. Yeah, it's going to be saved. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Everything right here, you can click on it afterwards. You can see what was going on. Anybody? Anybody answer for 11? 165? Anybody object? 165? Nah, sorry. Next one, what about 12? Anybody?
Well, we didn't get to it.
Anybody with 12? $210? You're on fire right now. All right, so 7 pi over 6 times 180. Messed that one up, sorry. 180 over pi. Right? Which gives us what, 12? What, 1260 divided by 6? 210, okay, 210. Alright, I trust you guys, 210. Let me find degree to radian sheet. Alright, so I'm going to pause the live stream for 5 seconds, alright? And I'm going to find the degree to radian sheet. Sorry, guys. So I switched the screen now. Now we're going to convert to degrees to radians, right? Which is the exact reverse. Instead of 180 over pi, this time it's going to be pi over 180. That's going to convert you back to radians, right? So if we're looking at the first one, 36, anyone want to give that a try? You want to convert 36 degrees into radians. You want to give that one a try? Alright, so it's going to be 6 is going to be 36 times pi over 180. Cross out here, cross out here. All right, 36 can go into 180 how many times? Uh, 180 divided by 36, 5 times, right? So we're going to be left with 1 pi over 5. Or this one right here. No. So that one would be pi over 5 this time. Yeah. Pi over 5. You get it? Because right now I'm converting back to radians measurements. Sometimes it's impossible to look at the degrees because you will really need to convert it to radians in order for you to get a good read on the sine and cosine curves. So it's important to convert it back from degree measurements to radian measurements. For 7 we have 48 degrees. We want to be able to convert 48 degrees. Again, anybody want to tackle that one? It's the exact reverse. This is from degrees to radians. I put DEG to RAD. This is from RAD to DEG. Alright, so this is the exact reverse. Anybody want to try 7? It says 48, convert 48 degrees to radians. Anyone give that one a try? This I don't believe is on the sheet. Nobody? Jeff? Diane? Amy? Emily? It's exactly what I did for 6. You have 48 right here, and you have times pi over, what, 180, right? I'm not sure if 48 can go exactly into 180, but you can reduce it. It doesn't look like it can go exactly into it. So let's just try to say what can go into 180. Say, can 12? Anybody? You want to be able to reduce. Essentially, it's just reducing 48 over 180 degrees, right? So I know 8 can go into both of these, right? If 8 can go into both of these, this is going to be 6 over 10. 6 over 100, right? No. Wow. Wow. From my brain today. Wow. Can 8 go into? I don't think 8 can go into 180. Can it? Let's see. Sorry, guys. One second. My brain's like fried. Is it C? Maybe Emily. We'll see. We just have to reduce this. For some reason, my brain is drawing out. blank right now. 180 divided by 12. 15, yeah, sorry. 12. Yeah, 12. 12 can go to both of these guys, sorry. 12 divided by 12. 12 divided by 12. That's going to be equal to 4. And I'm going to bring on the pi. 4 pi over 15. Right, see, you're right. That's better than me. Next one says convert 200. Let's do. Let's do 8. 8 says you want to be able to convert 200 to degrees times pi over 180. Now, I need to see what's the biggest number that can go into both the numerator and denominator. This is simply just reducing. For 8, so it's essentially just 200 over 180, right? And you multiply this by pi. The 200 could be simplified by what number can go into both 200 and 180. Can 10 go into both of these? Yes, 10 can definitely go into both of these, right? So it would be, I'm just gonna move the pi over. I'm gonna put it over here so it comes back at the end, right? So divided by 10, divided by 10. At 10, right? It's gonna be equal to 20 over here and 18, right? Now I know both of these things can be reduced again, right? What's the biggest number that can go to both of these? I think it would have to be 2. So divide by 2, put it over here still. Okay. Pi over here. So divided by 2 divided by 2 is equal to 10 over 9. That can't be reduced. I'm gonna clear that one too. I think I also assigned some study.com assignments on this too. So this should also be videos for this one. Conversion back and forth. And let's see, because I'm gonna have to wrap it things up. Anybody have an answer for 9? Because I gonna have to start my other class pretty soon. And we have an answer for number 9. It's 80 over 180, right? 80 over 180. Again, that's another one that 10 can go into both of these, right? Then that gives you what? 8 over 18. And then you have 2. So the answer would just be 4 over 9. You do that mentally, guys. If you want me to write it out, I'll write it out again right here. This is 9. 9, we have 80 degrees, right? Times pi over 180, which essentially becomes 80 over 180. I'm going to leave pi over here. That's for, yes, it's A, right? Cool. Times pi, right? And then I can cross this out and cross this out, right? By dividing them both by 10. It's equal to 8 over 18, right? Then cross that out, divide by 2, because 2 can go in both of these, divide by 2. Which will leave me with 4 over 9. 4 over 9. There she is. Right? So do we have any more questions on this, guys? Because I'm going to actually have to start my other class pretty soon, in about 9 minutes or so. Any other questions? Let me know. Right now. Again, I believe this was assigned through study.com, and it was also assigned on the sheets I gave you guys yesterday. All right, I think one of the sheets are due on Monday. Give you guys a little extra time with that. This is easy stuff. But it's going to be vital when we get into unit circle. All right. So if there aren't any other further questions, guys, you can always come out to the live stream whenever I do have it, which is from 10:30 to essentially 11:30. And ask me a question. This essentially be your classes from 10:30 to about 11, or slightly before that. If I actually start at 10:30. If you have any questions, guys, please don't hesitate to put a comment in the comment stream on this platform or in the Google Classroom. And then, I'll see you guys tomorrow, mañana. Mañana. All right? So, take care, guys. All right. Let's see. Let's get rid of this sucker right here.